In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning website using Wix, perfect for a travel agency or any business you're planning to start. First, let's get started by opening the Wix editor or Wix Studio in Chrome. This initial step sets the stage for everything that follows and ensures you're working in a compatible and easy to use environment, allowing you to seamlessly create and manage your website. Next, once you've opened Wix, it's time to focus on the visual and functional foundation of your website. Here, you'll want to choose a template specifically designed for a travel agency or similar business. Wix offers a wide range of templates that cater to various industries, and selecting one geared towards your niche will benefit your efforts considerably. This template will give you a solid starting point with pre-designed layouts and features that resonate with the needs of your business, such as galleries, booking sections, and destination highlights. Once you've selected your template, it's time to add the essential pages to your site to create a comprehensive user experience. You'll need to include pages for services, destinations, bookings, and a contact page. Let's delve into each of these briefly. A services page will detail the array of travel-related services you offer, from guided tours to travel consultancy. The destinations page, on the other hand, should showcase the exciting places your agency can take clients with vibrant visuals and engaging descriptions. For the bookings page, you may want to include a straightforward process with clear calls to action to streamline your clients' planning and booking experiences. Finally, a contact page is critical for encouraging direct communication, providing all necessary details like your email, phone number, and business address. Now, creating and integrating booking forms or applications is an essential component if your website will facilitate direct bookings. Wix provides several pre-integrated solutions or apps that can be seamlessly incorporated to handle bookings efficiently, ensuring a smooth experience for your clients and avoiding double bookings. At this point, it's crucial to look at the finer details, customizing images, text, and the overall design layout to fit your brand identity. This personal touch is what will set your website apart and create a memorable impression for your visitors. Ensure that your visuals are high quality, your text is engaging and informative, and your overall design aligns well with your brand colors and values. This coherence ensures trust and professionalism. Finally, don't forget the most important step: saving and publishing your site. Before publishing, preview your work to ensure every element functions as it should, and nothing is out of place. Once satisfied, hit the publish button to make your website live. This simple yet significant step will bring your creative vision to life and allow others to start exploring your site. That's it. You've built a functional and beautiful Wix website tailored specifically to your business needs. Remember, as your business evolves, so can your website. Happy creating.